Mr. Sutton, you're charged with driving while your license is suspended. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
The officer conducted a traffic stop in 10500 block of West Fairmount Parkway in Harris County, Texas, on a black gray Buick displaying an expired registration as of May 2024 and an unconfirmed insurance status. The officer made contact with the defendant, the driver and sole occupant of the vehicle, and the defendant informed that his Texas ID was expired and that his license was suspended. The officer was told that the defendant did not have financial responsibility or insurance, and upon checking the defendant's information in NCIC, the officer observed the defendant to have multiple SR suspensions for no liability insurance. The defendant was identified with his ID.
Okay, Mr. Sutton, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. Have you run his license now?
He's not eligible.
You are not allowed to drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today. This is a promise that you're going to make to me that you're not going to drive. I don't care what is going on in your life. I don't care that you have to go to work. I don't care that you need groceries. I don't care if there's a burning building and you have to save 50 kittens. It doesn't matter. If you don't have a license and liability insurance, do not drive. Do you understand? There's a reason why. Imagine if you get into a car wreck, you create $50,000 worth of damage, or someone dies as a result. Who do you think they're going to come after? Right. They'll get a judgment. They'll come after you for everything. That's why you have car insurance, to protect you. They're called accidents for a reason, not on purpose. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
All right. If you want to drive, go get a license, get liability insurance, and I will happily take this off. But until that point, if I find that you do, it's really not going to go well for you. Do you understand? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, Mr. Sutton?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to apply for a court-appointed lawyer? Or did you want to go hire a lawyer? Those are the two options you have.
Yes, sir.
What would you like to do?
I want to hire a lawyer.
Hmm?
I would like to hire a lawyer, sir.
You want to hire a lawyer?
Yes, sir. Yeah, may I speak?
No. The problem is that I've got a bunch of, DAs here. Whatever you say, they're going to use it against you.
Okay.
Just the law's clear. It's either you got to have certain requirements to drive. If not, then there's just no driving. You're signing an affidavit. This is a promise that you're making to me that you're not going to drive. I take this extremely serious. You cannot justify driving for any reason. Do you understand? Okay. If you have any problems and you're unable to hire a lawyer, just come back and we can talk about giving you an appointed lawyer. Okay? Okay.